In this video, we're going to explore how to get around the sounds in the gigKAT or the malletKAT KS. Now, we're going to be using the malletKAT to get around the sounds, or show you how to get around the sounds in the gigKAT, but whether you're using a drum cat or a ditty, the thing is always the same. And this is what happens. If you go to the back of your manual, you can download it if you don't have it. In the back of the manual, you see a listing on the back that lists all the sounds. The thing to look at is on top you have something called MSB, LSB, and then you have a listing of sounds. The MSB and LSB represents a bank, and all the sounds below it represents 127 sounds that are in that bank. If I turn the page, I see another group of 127. See the LSB here is 5, and another one. LSB is 0, and another one. LSB is 0, 1. On the Kurzweil, the sounds that are inside these instruments, the MSB is always 0. Now look, there's another one. So as you can see, there is well over 1,000 sounds for you to explore. So let's show you how to get there. Simply step on the edit foot switch and hold it down and keep it down. Now you hit the third E natural to the left. If you have a Pro, that's your lowest octave. You tap on it once, and it says Kit Auxiliary. You should also see that on the label. Now you go to the forward key, and you hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you see the MSB and the LSB. When you first go to that screen, the MSB is blinking, but we are always going to be playing with the LSB. So we move the forward key once, and now you can change that LSB by using the increment or decrement pads. So if I hit it twice, there, bip. If you go, it's going to be 0. If I hit the increment, it goes to 1. So now, as soon as we let go of that, we now have the bank. B is a bank, MSB is 0, LSB is 1. If I did it again, hit it twice, and I get to that, and I change it to 2, when you let go, notice the screen. MSB is 0, LSB is 2. So now we have to change the program. So if we go to the list and we say, I want to play the sound number 35, Gombo. Okay. So now you step on the edit foot switch. You hit the program, which is high C. And now I type in the words 35. Notice on the malletKAT here that there's numbers that go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. So if I type in 3, 5, and let go, the bottom line's going to tell you whether you did it correctly. MSB 0, LSB 2, program 35. So now when you play the instrument, you're going to hear the sound of gamba. But you have to remember that the malletKAT is still showing the words real vibes. That's because that's the name of the kit. So if you like the sound and you want to permanently keep it, you step on the edit foot switch, you hit the E natural again for Kit Auxiliary, and then you hit the 0 pad, which is A sharp, twice. And now you can name that kit the name of that sound. So that's how you get around the sounds on the gigKAT. Enjoy.